Comrade party leader and the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Comrade Jefferson Garvey, Comrade colleague MPs and councillors, Comrade workers, citizens of Jamaica, good morning. I am here this morning because when government becomes the problem, the people must become the solution. And them could have drag out this election till God come. We are sit down, we are wait, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready. This government coming like a man, we are looking at a woman. And when you want a woman, he show him every pretty thing. Tell him I'm going to buy him house and land and car. How I'm going to fix him up with a pretty wig and nice things. And then when he get through, he'll let you down. He'll remember you. He's going to look out one next woman. Well, we now going to get triggered this time. No matter how much ribbon you cut and how much ground you broke, let me make you know the bells and the whistles now go full way because